1-1 po. Okay, very good. Ay, bilisan nyo, lagi kayong late ah. Dalawa na to. Okay. Ayan. Kasama na kayo ah. Okay, good. Nakatira. Okay ah, shout water is clear ah. Water is clear. Number 1, ready to jump. Sabihin mo. Okay, position. Okay, jump. Very good. Okay, backstroke, backstroke. Okay, number 2 ah. Shout water is clear. Number 2, ready to jump. Okay, position. Okay, jump. Very good. Okay, backstroke lang, backstroke. Backstroke. Okay. Shout, water is clear. Number. Sabi mo, number 3, ready to jump. Uy, baliktad. Baliktad ang kamay. Yan. Jump. Very good. Okay, group 2, come on. Joel, group 2. Water is clear. Okay, position. Okay, jump. Jump. Yan, para palagi ha. Very good. O, para ulit ha, pero magkahawak sa magkabilang kwelyo ng life jacket ha. Yan. Okay, disembark number 1. Disembark, hawak sa ilong. Sir, hawak sa ilong. Okay, sige sir, disembark. Very good. Okay, number. Water is clear, ready to jump, okay? Okay, position. Okay, ready, jump. Layuan nyo yung jump ninyo ha, huwag kayo magtipid ha. Mamaya, tumama kayo dun sa water is clear. Okay, position. Jump. Very good. Yan, ganun palagi ang pick up ha. Ang baba, sir, upo. Sir, upo lang. Tapos hawak sa ilong. Okay, disembark. Very good. Ganun lang ha. Okay. Water is clear. Number. Okay, ready to jump ha. Okay, jump. Oh, ang lapit naman talaga. Uy, napakalapit. Hey, guys, lagyan nyo ng buwelo ha. Migo, masyado kang malapit ha. Dapat buwelo. Sige, number. Shout water. Okay, number. Ready to jump, okay? Position. Hawak sa life jacket. Baliktad. Yeah, very good. Ready, jump. Very good. Ganun kalayo dapat, ha? Mamaya tumama kayo sa stage. Sayang ang bato. Oh. Water is clear. Number. Okay, position. Okay, jump. Yun, layo. Ha? Kahit na mag-lean kayo, okay lang kasi malayo kayo. Ha? Ang problema, malapit kayo, tapos nag-lean kayo. Sayang ang semento. Okay, position. Jump. Very good. Yun. Oh. Oy, nababasa na kayo dyan. Tabi kayo dyan. Mababasa kayo. Oh, ma'am. Wala ba yun? Ha? Oh. Okay, position. Okay, hawak sa ilong. Ready, jump. Very good. Oh, relax lang, relax. Ma'am, okay ka lang?
1 month pa lang po ako nanganganak.
Ha? Sabihin mo to sa nurse. You ask the nurse. Go with the nurse. 1 minute pa lang daw siya nananap na bago. Punta mo dali. Punta ka doon. Sige, sige. Okay, position. Oh, ready. Jump. Yun. Oh, water is clear, ha? Okay, position. Baliktad, baliktad. Dito muna, tapos ganon. Baliktad. Yan, very good. Ready, jump. Okay, relax. Okay, good. Water is clear. Ready, number 14, ready to jump. Okay, position. Okay, jump. Very good. Okay, akyat. Group 3, come on, group 3. Water is clear. Number. Okay, position. Jump. Very good. Oh, relax lang, relax. Okay, ma'am. Sige, shout water is clear. Shout water is clear. Okay, number. Okay, position, ha? Ready, ha? Sige, look straight ahead, ha? Position. Okay, ready, jump. Very good, palakpakan. Very good. Very good, ma'am. Paddle yourself, paddle. Ah. Shout, water is clear. Number. Okay, push it. Mali. Yeah, very good. Ah, ready. Jump. Very good. Backstroke lang. Magaling pala lumangoy si ma'am eh. Galing, oh. Parang yun yan. Oh, disembarking isa. Hawak sa ilong. Si ma'am na pa disembarking. Ma'am, hawak sa ilong, ha? Okay, sige ma'am, disembark. Sir. Water is clear. Number 19, position. Ready, jump. Very good. Yung isa pala natin, kapapanganak pa lang pala nyo. Sabi ko pa. Water is clear. Oh. Number. Number. Number 20, sir. Okay, position. Hawak sa ilong muna. Yan. Okay, jump. Very good. Backstroke lang, backstroke. Okay. Water is clear. Okay, position. Jump. Very good. Okay. Okay, position. Okay, jump. Water is clear. Okay, position. Jump. Okay, jump. Ma'am, what happened? Ano sabi ng nurse? Oh, sabi mo yung nurse kasi concern yan eh.
Sa'yo daw po eh.
Ha?
Papatalong mo sa baba o pwede naman. Yan, ikaw eh. Tarangis ka ako.
Doon ako walang sige. Sige ma'am, doon. Come on. Oy, oy! Hindi pwedeng ganyan. Okay, sige, huddle na kayo ha. Psst. Huddle na kayo ha.
Kailangan ng assistant.
Okay, sige. Basta wag lang makita yan. Pag nakita yan, mahirap na. Sige. Okay, tapos na ba kayo mag-right? Oy, right na kayo, bilis para matapos tayo. Stoy. Yung hindi pa natapos mag-right, punta na, please, para hindi na tayo madalay. Sige, dala-dalawa. Yung mga nakatapos na, standby lang muna dyan. Help position lang kayo, standby. Sige, dalawa ulit. Punta na kagad yung partner. Circle mo ito. Sige, next.